after 20 seconds. Do not hold down the buttons for longer than 30 seconds, and do not repeat this step to program a second and third transmitter. Blah, 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 blah. Position the end of your handheld transmitter about 1 to 3 inches away from your home link buttons, while keeping the indicator light in view. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired button on your visor and the handheld transmitter button. Do not release the buttons until step 4 has been completed. The indicator light... Don't interrupt. Are you recording me?
We're making a YouTube video.
That is not a video.
It's for Richard's
The indicator
collection.
light will flash slowly at first, then rapidly after the home link has successfully received the frequency signal from the handheld transmitter.
Okay.
Don't be pushing that button.
We don't push that? These won't work with that off.
Okay. You didn't say to do that.
Should I turn it off? Let's see if these will work.
Yeah, it just doesn't say to do that.
Okay.
Did you pay attention to anything I
Do we
said?
need to reset it?
Yes.
How do I do that?
Here, I'll do the video. Just turn your phone off. We're not doing a video. No one's going to watch this shit.
They probably will, but they'll be on it.
Is that how you reset it?
Did
Apparently
you listen
not.
to the instructions?
No. Here we
God
go.
damn it, you're supposed to leave that set.
Oh, shit.
It's for 20 seconds. This is going to be the worst YouTube video. And you're getting my puffy face.
It'll start blinking, people. Please like and subscribe if you like this for more content. Oh, there
Okay.
we go.
Here we go.
This is a Corvette. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, people. I've tried this, by the way. Didn't work last time. Keep doing it. Oh, I see it blinking. Right?
Even in Cooper out there, they got their fire thing, whatever they're doing. Aiden, we should make a YouTube video of that.
Oh, my Lord. Oh, you sick ass. Dad, Richard farted in your car. Did it work? I've tried everything, dude.
Maybe we did something wrong.